Hey there, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to Bestex. Today, we're diving into the world of automatic coffee makers, exploring the top 3 automatic coffee machines of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 3. High Brew Coffee Maker. Introducing the High Brew Coffee Maker Cafetera, the ultimate blend of elegance, innovation, and taste. Crafted with precision and passion, the High Brew Coffee Maker boasts a stainless steel housing, ensuring durability and style in every cup. Whether you crave the bold intensity of espresso or the creamy richness of cappuccino, the High Brew Coffee Maker delivers perfection with every sip. With a powerful 19-bar pump pressure and a double boiler system, the High Brew ensures optimal extraction and flavor infusion, unlocking the true essence of your favorite coffee beans. The High Brew's ultra-slim design and compact size make it the perfect addition to any kitchen, saving space without compromising on taste. With exclusive accessories like the 51mm bottomless handle and stainless steel coffee distributor, you have everything you need to become a master barista in the comfort of your own home. From the moment you press the on button to the rich aroma filling your kitchen, the High Brew Coffee Maker promises an experience unlike any other. With rapid preheating and precise temperature control, your perfect cup of coffee is just moments away. Number 2. McIlpoog TC520 Coffee Machine. Introducing the McIlpoog TC520 Semi-Automatic Coffee Machine. Your ticket to a stress-free, customized coffee experience right at home. 6-inch large display screen, extraction pressure, extraction time, and other parameters are clear at a glance. Piano button design. Exclusive flavor at your fingertips. Brew any of your favorite specialty coffee shop drinks at home. Easy and convenient, sweeping away the boredom of life. Make your favorite coffee in 3 easy steps: grind, brew, and milk. Built-in conical burr grinder with 15 settings, coffee beans can be ground on site to ensure the fresh flavor of coffee. The 15-bar high-pressure pump allows for a barista that creates powerful pressure to extract rich cream, optimum flavor, and aroma. 3-gear frother mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth for evenly textured drinks. McIlpoog Espresso Machine is specially designed with a wide array of amazing functions and features. The dual water pump and dual boiler design allow coffee and milk foam to be produced simultaneously, preparing perfect coffee specialties in less than 60 seconds. Digital temperature control, PID, technology precisely controls water temperature for perfectly balanced coffee extraction, giving you control and consistency for delicious-tasting coffee every time. McIlpoog Espresso Machine comes with many convenient designs, such as a 5.50Z large-capacity bean bin, 2,000 milliliter water tank capacity, large warm cup area on top, low-pressure pre-infusion, automatic power-off design, and so on. Easy to create your favorite coffee drink. When the number of brewed cups reaches the set value, the descaling mark of the espresso machine flashes to remind descaling. Number 1. McIlpoog TC530 Coffee Machine. Introducing the McIlpoog TC530 Coffee Machine, your gateway to a premium coffee experience right in the comfort of your own home. The 5.5-inch display screen provides clear parameters at a glance, while the exclusive flavor options are just a touch away, bringing the coffee shop experience directly to you. With its stress-free operation and customizable features, brewing your favorite coffee has never been easier. In just 3 simple steps, grind, brew, and milk, you can indulge in the perfect cup of coffee tailored to your preferences. The McIlpoog Espresso Machine boasts a range of amazing functions, including a dual water pump and boiler design for simultaneous coffee and milk foam production, all in under 60 seconds. With its thoughtful design elements, like the large-capacity bean bin and automatic power-off feature, brewing your favorite coffee has never been more convenient. So, there you have it. Folks, the top 3 automatic coffee makers that are sure to elevate your caffeine game to new heights. Which one will you be adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations from Bestex. Thanks for joining us today.